welcome back to the channel and our Financial Freedom Bootcamp Part 3. Today is going to be all about saving on our food budget and things that we can do in our own home to save on food. Okay, so Part 1 consists of many components. First, we are going to organize our pantry and freezer and take inventory of what is in there. So let's go do that now. After we have organized everything, we are going to make meals from our pantry and our freezer. And I have a couple examples here, so let me show you. Okay, I think it's really important to cook from your freezer and pantry first before you even go shopping. Okay, I have this huge flour bucket here. I also have a rice one that is this size, and this I make our cheesy bread, I make our pigs in a blanket, our pizza. This is a huge component in our house, and it only costs about $7-8 for a 25-pound bag, and that's going to make a lot of meals. So, I have Alfredo, we sweet and sour chicken, we're going to have Hawaiian haystacks one day, tomato soup, and grilled tuna fish sandwiches. We've got spaghetti, lasagna, we've got broccoli with cheese sauce and chicken. I didn't get the chicken out because I didn't want it touching any of this. I've also got some snacks here, some muffins to make for the kids, and always vegetables. I always have frozen vegetables in my freezer, and I always think it's important to have this on hand because not only does it make meal cooking easier, it's actually cheaper in the long run. Now that you've created your meals from your pantry and freezer, we are going to create our meal plan. This is where you're going to write down all the meals that you've created from your pantry, and any ingredients that you need to complete the meals is going to be your shopping list for the week. Now, it is a good habit to get into before you go shopping is to look around and see what non-food items you also need in your household so you're not making double trips and wasting gas. Next on our agenda, let's talk about buying off-brand food. You're going to save a lot of money when you buy from off-brand. Not only are you going to get more for your buck, but it tastes the same as well. Also, sometimes it's even healthier. For example, the traditional pasta sauce made by Great Value, a lot of brands have high fructose corn syrup in it. And me personally, I like to stay away from it. And I found that the Great Value does not have that. So just because it's more doesn't mean it's better. Also, for things like condensed soup, filler items, you should not buy top dollar. Things that go in casseroles, definitely buy off-brand for. And last but not least is this month's challenge and a trick to help you get through it. This month's challenge is to not eat out the entire month. And I promise you can do it. It's going to save you so much money. And here is a trick that is going to get you through. If you do not have a crock pot, that will be your investment. Instead of eating out on Friday, you're going to go buy a crock pot. These are my two favorite crock pots. My husband got me the casserole dish crock pot, and I love it. My husband got me this for Christmas, and I use it a ton. Or if you just have a regular crock pot, that will work as well. So go dig in your pantry, your storage, whatever, and pull these things out. It is my dinner at noon trick that is going to get you through the month of not eating out. Now, as a mom, dinner time is crazy at my house. I'm like, what am I going to cook? And that's when, like, the stress overwhelms me and we eat out. Because I'm like, I don't have any ideas. The chicken's not thawed, nothing. It's all out the window. And that takes a lot of money, especially when you have that mindset. So I've been doing a dinner at noon. That means you get dinner in the crock pot at noon. Done eating lunch, you put dinner in. Dinner comes around, it's done. You're done. And there are so many things. If you can cook it in the stove or the oven, you can cook it in the crock pot. Don't forget, I will have all the links and the free downloads that you can have to make it through the month along with the meal plan. So we can do this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!